Hey guys, Dave Franklin here, and this one goes out to all the tree loppers or people who just love cutting timber. This is the Greenworks 18-inch 60-volt chainsaw. Cut up to 170 times on a single charge, keeping your productivity in control without interruptions. Delivering a 2 kilowatt output, this chainsaw packs the power of a 42cc petrol saw with zero emissions and low maintenance. Equipped with a low kickback chain and a mechanical chain brake, this saw is designed for maximum safety and control. The 18-inch bar makes light work of large logs, firewood and heavy-duty cutting tasks. Well, the best thing about the 18-inch Greenworks chainsaw is that it's not just the chainsaw that you get here. You get this beautiful case where you can pack everything up. You've got the battery, you've got all your tools, and a durable case. Pack it up and easy to take away. To wrap this up, guys, this has petrol power, battery convenience, and serious cutting performance.